Welcome to project. So here we are simulating a Counter-Strike game into real life. So basically young generation, what we do, they just play Counter-Strike game on laptop only. So here is a new environment for them to play a real-time Counter-Strike game. Okay, so this is the gun. So at gun we are connecting one IR transmitter, and IR transmitter works on 38 kHz frequency, and that 38 kHz frequency will be generated with the help of this control circuitry. We are using controller. The name of controller is PIC16F877A. Instead of that, we can use PIC18F45520 or 4550. So choice is yours. You can either use PIC1816. The requirement is we have to generate 38 kHz frequency, and that will be generated with the help of timer module, which is to be present in the controller. Okay, so if I press this switch, then automatically the frequency pulse having frequency of 38 kHz will be transmitted with the help of this IR LED, and the range will be nearly 10 meter. Okay, and at the receiver end the same controller is present, PIC16F877A, and we can use others also. So here one TSOP sensor is used. There are 3 TSOP sensors, one for headshot, one for front side, and one for back side. Okay, and these are the lights which indicates the health of the particular guy. Okay, so if I trying to press the button and taking headshot, then automatically the health will be reduced by 1. Okay, like this. And after completion, buzzer will buzz. It indicates that the person is dead. Similar way for this. And for last one. So these two models are wireless, so from long distance also it can captures. Okay, so just see the demo. So we are focusing on the headshot. So let's see the distance. Concentrate on LEDs. Okay, again we increase the distance. So you can enjoy a real life Counter-Strike game in this project, and it's easy to do, and the warm-up will be there. So instead of just playing in front of PC, it will be better choice to play in ground. So you just need simple guns. Again we increase the distance so that we can actually guess what is exactly range of this circuit. So concentrate on LEDs. So LEDs decreasing. So actual range is 10 meter. So in video we cannot show exact 10 meters, so it's nearly around 5 to 6 meters we have shown in this video. So you can play in room, so that will be great. So thanks for watching this video, and please share this video and please subscribe. If you need further information, then please visit to our website. The name of our website is www.dnaelectronics.com, or for more details you can mail us. The mail ID is help@dnaelectronics.com, and remaining contact details are mentioned in the description. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day ahead.